Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable or disable power saving mode on your Casio G-SHOCK Mudmaster Module 5562 watch. So what exactly is this feature? If you've ever had a solar power Casio G-SHOCK or Casio watch before, this is pretty common on most of them. This is basically a feature that if you turn it off, your watch is just going to run non-stop. It's going to use battery life just like any other watch would, but if you have power saving on, after 60 to 70 minutes when it hasn't received any light, basically the display will turn off on the watch so it saves some battery life. After 6 to 7 days, if it hasn't received any light, it turns off all of the functions, and it's basically doing this to preserve battery life. Once you bring it out into the light, the watch will turn back on and it'll start operating as normal. It's kind of a sleep mode. Imagine when you put your computer to sleep, it's the same kind of thing. If it's detecting that it's not being used, it basically goes to sleep to preserve battery life. So let's talk real quick about how to do it. It's pretty easy. From our main timekeeping mode, which means if you're over in world time or stopwatch timer, something like that, you can't be there. You want to be in your main timekeeping screen. We're going to press and hold the adjust button, which is the upper left-hand button on the watch face. You'll notice that the watch arms are moving for me. All they're doing is getting out of the way so I can see my different setting options. There's a blinking set over here, and I can see this city that's circling. It's basically letting me know that I'm in world time setting. All I'm going to do is I'm going to press the mode button a few times here. We're going to keep going until we get to the power save setting, and you're going to know that you're there because you're going to see this PS something. It's either going to be PS on or PS off. You can see in my case I've got power saving on. If I wanted to turn it off, all I'm going to do is press the down button or the search button, and it's a toggle switch. Now PS off. Power saving is off. If I want to turn it back on, simply put it to on. Once you've got it set the way you want, you're going to press the adjust button to get out of your settings screen, and you've successfully adjusted the power saving feature on your Casio G-SHOCK watch.